Welcome to another episode of Mobile TV. Today I'm going to introduce you GIGABYTE latest feature, Cloud OC. Cloud OC basically is a web-based overclocking feature that allows you to overclock or monitor a GIGABYTE motherboard-based system through any web browsing devices such as an iPad, smartphone, or even a notebook, etc. through a wireless, Bluetooth, or even a cable network connection. So let's see what Cloud OC can do. And now I have an Apple iPad on my hand, and I'm going to demonstrate how Cloud OC works. In order to launch a Cloud OC, all you need to do is launch the web browser Safari, type in the IP address of the system, as well as the login password to prevent your friends or your colleagues to hack into your system. So right now you can see there are three major functions of Cloud OC. First of all is the system information that contains the hardware monitor, which monitors the system status like the fan speed, the CPU temperature, as well as the frequency monitor that contains the information of the CPU speeds as well as the memory speed, or even the system information. Plus, there's a tuner that allows you to overclock the system with a lot of overclocking settings, like the frequency for the B clock, the system DRAM CPU ratio, as well as the voltage. Right, you can change the DRAM voltages, the channel, and even the CPU voltages. Last but not least is the control of the system, which allows you to restart, power off, set the system to suspend or hibernate when you leave your system. So let me demonstrate how Cloud OC works. Alright, right now I have set up a system right behind me. I'm using a GIGABYTE P55AUD4P motherboard, as well as an Intel Core i7-870 processor. And the system right now running is at 3.8 GHz with a B clock 200. So in order for me to make sure the system performance is what I wanted, I have to run benchmark software like 3D Mark Vantage. But for 3D Mark Vantage, it's running in full screen mode, which means that I cannot monitor the system with one monitor. In order for me to monitor the system on the fly, I need to connect two monitors. So right now I'm launching this 3D Mark Vantage. You can see that it's going to run in full screen mode. I cannot do anything when the 3D Mark Vantage is running. So in order for me to make sure the system status, like the CPU speed, the temperature is running as I wanted, I have to use a second monitor. But for Cloud OC, now I can use Cloud OC and I can have the full detailed information of the system, so that I can make sure that the system is running perfectly without any problems. Alright, so let me demonstrate how to overclock the system by Cloud OC. Okay, now I'm going to talk about overclocking. Overclocking can be easily done by using a GIGABYTE EasyTune 6 software like here, which provide a lot of overclocking settings. And right now the system we have here is running at 3.8 GHz with a B clock of 200 MHz, as well as here we are using a SuperPi, which I previously run at this speed. We can have the result of 25.9 seconds, right? So let me do a quick demonstration of how to overclock a system by using a Cloud OC in real time and see how the performance gain I can get. So right now I'm going to set another 2 megs of benchmark running in 200 B clock. So what I'm going to do is change the frequency here. I type in 210 and press go, and you can see that the frequency is changed instantly here, as well as the results here. So let's see how fast it can mix in real time. Remember, we get 25.9 seconds, and right now you can see it's 23.7 seconds. So CloudOC does a real-time overclocking instantly. Okay, right now I'm going to introduce the last feature of CloudOC, which is controlling the system. You can restart, power off, suspend, or set the system to hibernate. And the best feature that I like is powering off instantly.